या वर्सा जानेवारीत प्रजासत्ताक दीस संचालना वेळार कर्तव्य पथार निमणे खेपे उड्डाण केल्या उपरांत भारतीय नौदळान विंग्ड स्टॅलियन IL-38 फाटी घेवपाचो सुवाळो घडोवन हाडलो आनी ताजी 4 दशकां पोरणी सेवा सोंपली। वास्को शारांत आशिल्ल्या INS हंसा हांगा घडोवन हाडिल्ल्या IL-38 SD-च्या ड्रॉडावन सुवाळ्यात नौदल मुखेली एडमिरल R हरिकुमार मुखेल सोयरे म्हूण हजीर आशिल्ले। भारतीय नौदळाकडेन पाणबुड्डी विरोधी तांक आशिल्ल्या ह्या सागरी गस्त विमानाची 46 वर्सांची गस्त फाटी घेवपाचो सुवाळो सोंपता। INAS 315 स्क्वॉड्रनाची विमानां ऑक्टोबर 1977 तेन्नाचे रियर एडमिरल M.K. रॉय आनी कमांडर B.K. मलिक हाणें सुरू केल्ली।
We already have squadrons, 316, etc. But those are PATI squadrons, PATI aircraft. So one way is we can reappropriate some aircraft to form new squadron in 315 itself. But it's not that simple of just putting some aircraft, because you have to train the crew, you have to have ground support equipment, air stores, air crew training, then ground crew training, so a lot of things. So if you fragment it and put them in small penny pockets, then it does not become very sustainable in that sense of work share and things like that. So we'll study it and a game changer in many ways, I would say. It's a very modern aircraft. It's being used by a large number of navies. It's got phenomenal capability, very good sensors, very good weapon capability. It's well networked. Supportability issues are not there, and because the airframe is something which is in use in the commercial field also. So all told, it is much easier to maintain that, and it's been giving us very good service. So we're very happy with the performance, and we'll see if we need to take up a case for more aircraft, then we will do that. But because we are examining it in the light of the areas of interest that we need to keep under surveillance, and the type of assets that we already have. So PATIs we have, we're going to get the Hales, we have Dorniers, we got as of now the Searchers and the Herons. So holistically we have to see where are the gaps and how much more is required. That is.
GOA365 खातीर हिरू महाले, समृता खणगांवकर आनी ओमकार देशप्रभू।